Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back beta. Today we will learn new rhyme and the name of rhyme is tasty fruits. Let's start with me. Big red apples dancing on a tree. Big red apples dancing on a tree. Two yellow mangoes smiling at me. Big red apple dancing on the tree. Two yellow mangoes smiling at me. A bunch of grapes sleeping on the bed. Bananas are yellow and cherries are red. Once again, big red apples dancing on a tree. Two yellow mangoes smiling at me. A bunch of grapes sleeping on the bed. Bananas are yellow, cherries are red. Okay, beta, you have to learn this poem. Okay, take care. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.